What is the fucking point of a dishwasher? I turn 30 next year. I'm about to be 3 decades old. And this whole time, I thought that dishwashers were a tool that you would use so you wouldn't have to wash dishes by hand. I'm now being told that apparently the point of a dishwasher is to clean your dishes. But isn't that what happens when you wash them by hand anyway? And I'm like,
isn't that the point of a fucking dishwasher though?
you put the dish in the dishwasher, and then the dishwasher fucking washes your dishes for you! Oh, that sounds like a convenient tool. You just put the dish in the dishwasher and it cleans it for you. But now I'm being told that you have to wash the dish first before putting the dish in the dishwasher? If washing a dish by hand cleans the dishes, then what's the point of a dishwasher? What's the point of a dishwasher? Guys, what is the fucking point of a dishwasher? If you need a dishwasher to do the same thing you just did by hand, but twice, that's like having a machine that does your taxes for you. So you get a blank piece of paper, you run it through the machine, and it prints everything off and does your taxes. But then somebody's like, let me do my taxes by hand and then put it in the machine. You're doing your taxes twice. It's ineffective. It's inefficient. Why I need a dishwasher, bro? Why I need a dishwasher? Because it's just doing the same thing you just did again. In a time period right now, like in 2020, where we're so focused on the environment, don't you think that dishwashers are a little bit reductive and irrelevant and shouldn't even be used if it just does the same fucking thing that you do with your hand? Because to your logic.
No, there can't be solid food on your dishes when you put it in. Where do you expect it to go? That's
okay,
my point.
but here's my
if
point,
it's
though.
Stained, that's fine because it'll wash away. I still don't know where it goes, but you can't have huge, giant clumps of food in your dishwasher.
So if you're doing that, and then you're cleaning off the clumps of food and washing your dish, which sanitizes it, right? Then what is the point of putting it in the dishwasher?
Because it cleans the rest of it.
Done!
It's not done! You get all the food stuff off, but then the plate is still dirty.
No, it's not! Because there's soap and hot water, and that cleans...
You can't clean all of that.
What did people do before dishwashers existed, Kevin?
They got fucking the plate.
No, they didn't! My grandparents never had a dishwasher. They've never had a dishwasher. And we didn't use a dishwasher.
Dishwashers all
Well, now I am, because now I'm learning that it serves no purpose and it's just wasting water. So there's no point of having one. That's my point. The end.
I don't get